Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to create space on your iPhone. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the Google Space application on our phone. If you cannot find any of them, you just need to go into the app library. If you are using iPhone, you just need to slide your home screen into the left side until you find an app library. In this app library, you just need to go click chat. And so this is the symbols of the Google chat, and after that you just need to click it to access it. And now we already open. See, so here I already use my Gmail for my Google chat here. So to create a space, you can just go directly click this new chat, or you can also click this button this side to entering the space part or the space section. So here there will be appear the spaces that you already created before. So here I would like to show you how to create again from the beginning. So after you go into this section, just go click new space, and now you just need to go click create a space. You can add the space name, for example, okay, let's say that business. And after that you can also add the descriptions. It's optional. You can also add an emoji to the symbols of your space, and after that just go click next. You can add the people directly, or you can also add the people's letter just by click the skip. Okay, here is the space that you already created before. So when you create a space, you will be automatically being a space manager. Here you are a space manager. You can control, you can manage the members of the space by go click the manage members, and after that you just need to go click this to add the member of your space, and after that you just need to go click check, and the invitations will be sent into them. Okay, so that's to add the people or the members. And now I would like to show you how to make this space being discoverable by many people. After you add a member, you can just copy the link of this space, and after that you can just paste the link on this room or your space, and after that you just need to click send, and now you can set to all of the members to send this link into someone else's that they want to invite into this spaces. So that's the way how to manage the access into your spaces. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.